What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. I hope you guys are doing well today, and welcome to today's tutorial video is going to be about something that is kind of hard to do, especially when you first get to middle school, and that is to open a locker. The kids I work with haven't had the pleasure of having lockers in their middle school career, so they don't have a reason to learn how to open a combination locker, except for the football team. So what usually happens is once they get someone to open their locker, they just leave their locker open with their valuables in it, which is counterproductive. So I'm making this video to help anyone who has never opened a combination locker before. Let's get started. So a combination locker, especially one at school, looks something similar to this. It's a dial with numbers on it. It also has a place you can put a key, but of course, kids are not giving access to that. So combination locks or lockers like this have been designed to be able to change the combination every year for safety purposes, of course. So as you're looking here, you can see that there are 5 different combos for this one locker. Now let's get to the part you've all been waiting for. Now, when I teach anyone to open a locker, I'm going to tell them to go to their right 2 times into the number, back to the left 1 time into the number, and then back to your right and stop at the number. All right? So 2 times to the right, stop at the number, 1 time to the left, stop at the number, and then back to the right and stop at the number or on the number. So that may have sounded a little confusing, but this is how it looks. All right? The combination for this locker is 21, 43, 11. So if you want to start at 0, you can. Let's go to the right 2 times. And we're going to stop at 21. So I passed 21 2 times, and now I'm stopping at 21. Let's go back to your left, and that number is going to be 43. So we're going to pass 43 1 time, and then stop at 43. All right. The last number is 11. So now we're going to go back to the right, and we're going to stop on the number, which is 11. Now we're going to raise up on this handle vigorously, and there, it is open. In fact, you can turn the dial several times on the first number as long as you go by it twice, and it'll work. Here's an example. $21, $43, $11. And there you are. That's how you open a locker, a combination locker, in fact. All right, everybody, that's it. I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm out.